Best places to visit in Serbia. Serbia is a country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant cities. Here are some of the best places to visit in Serbia. Belgrade, Kalemegdan Fortress, offers panoramic views of the confluence of the River Sava and Danube. Knez Mihailova Street, a bustling pedestrian zone with shops, cafes, and historic buildings. Skadarlija, a Bohemian quarter known for its cobblestone streets and traditional restaurants. Novi Sad Petrovaradin Fortress, often referred to as the Gibraltar on the Danube, it offers great views and is home to the Exit Music Festival. Danube Park, a beautiful park perfect for relaxation and leisurely strolls. Museum of Vojvodina displays the region's cultural and historical artifacts. Niš Fortress, a well-preserved Ottoman fortress with a park and cultural events. Skull Tower, Çelikula, a unique monument built by the Ottomans embedded with human skulls. Mediana, an archaeological site with remains from the Roman era. For example, Roma belts, bronze of 3rd-4th century AD Subotica City Hall. A stunning example of Art Nouveau architecture. Synagogue, one of the finest examples of Hungarian secessionist architecture. Palić Lake, a nearby lake with a beautiful park and facilities for various water activities. Sremski Karlovci Town Square features charming Baroque architecture. Chapel of Peace, historically significant site where treaties were signed. Wine cellars. The town is known for its excellent wine, particularly the dessert wine Bermet. Each of these locations offers a unique glimpse into Serbia's rich history, natural beauty, and cultural diversity.